So you're an entrepreneur and you've heard about creating multiple streams of income. And you're thinking, should I be creating multiple streams of income? Nah, I don't have time to add another stream of income to my business or another company or another opportunity. Or maybe you're thinking, I already have a network marketing business or a coaching business, and it would be a conflict for me to add another stream of income. If any of these questions are running through your head, I am going to help you out today, because today I am going to cover the 5 income streams, not businesses, income streams that I believe every single entrepreneur should at least explore and consider, so you're not leaving money on the table. And because I'm all about time and financial freedom, I'm going to make sure that these are not going to impact your time. And we're going to talk about them in a very leveraged way. So stay tuned. Here we go. Hi, if you are new to my channel, I am Lindsay Sewell, and I help you, the busy entrepreneur, to create the time and financial freedom that you deserve. I teach you attraction marketing so you can attract your ideal clients and customers and stop chasing after people online. And in this video today, we are going to talk about the 5 income streams that every entrepreneur should at least explore and consider, so you're not leaving money on the table. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. And I have seen countless times friends in the industry who only built a single business only to see the comp plan change and their income plummet overnight, or the business go out of business and they're left starting from scratch, starting all over again. I've also seen people who have multiple 3, 4, 5 different streams of income. And when one is lost, they simply double down on the others and they don't miss a beat. So that's why I want to talk about these 5 different income streams with you today. So let's get started. Number 1 is a product-based income stream. Sometimes you'll also hear this referred to as retail. So what do I mean? This could be a network marketing company and your products that you sell through your network marketing company to your customers. I'm not talking about your team's auto ship. That's not retail volume, because if your team member leaves, then that goes with them. We'll talk a little bit more about team volume in another income stream later in the video. But this is retail. This is product-based. This would be, what are the consumer products that your company has that you are selling through to your customers? So it could be a physical consumable product. If you're in digital marketing, it could be a digital training or tool. Or if you're a coach or you are a consultant, this could be a course that you've created. Anything that someone is going to buy and they are going to consume. Now, in the case of digital courses, this means that they're probably only going to consume it once, and then you're going to need to come up with new and additional products that serve your audience and your market. In the case of a product with a network marketing company, maybe it's a supplement, a skincare, a hair care product, even clothing, oils, any of those products, people may consume and order them over and over and over again. Maybe not every month, but they will consume and order them over and over again. And this is a great income stream to have, because it's like having your own store. Nobody is locked in. They can simply buy the product that they want at the time that they want, and you earn a commission, or in the case of a digital course that maybe you've created, you are going to earn 100% of the profits. The other really wonderful thing about this income stream is that if you need extra money, you could simply create a new course and market it. Or if you have an existing audience, you could send out an email to your list. You could put it on flash sale in your company. You could offer incentives for people to buy that month. So this can be a very quick cash injection into your business. Now, in addition to having a retail income stream, the second type of income stream is a residual income stream. And you'll often hear this talked about in network marketing companies. They talk about residual income, mailbox money, residual checks that come in month after month. And that's because with this type of income stream, you're having to get the customer or the teammate once, and then you're continuing to earn month after month from that customer or teammate. Imagine this. Imagine finding somebody for your network marketing product who buys the product one time, falls in love with it, and orders it month after month after month. You had to make one sale, but you continue to earn income month after month. Or you bring on a teammate into your company and they are a happy customer, they're a happy team member, they're earning income, they pay for their auto ships, they continue to sell products on your behalf, and you earn from their efforts month after month after month. That is the power of residual income. One-time sale, multiple earnings. Now, this could also be for affiliate products. If you sell an affiliate product for a membership, somebody buys a membership, they're using a tool or they're using a training and they're buying it month after month, you're earning a residual income as well. You really want to think about residual income because while product and retail sales are great, they require a lot of upfront work on your part. The same amount of work is required to create a residual income, but you're getting paid for it month after month. Now, you will have people that fall out, right? Somebody's going to buy your product and maybe they're not going to like it after 3 months. Maybe they decide that it's not working for them. Maybe they just give up. People will join your team. They'll fall out of your team. But if you have a really good product with your company, if you have a strong team culture or a good comp plan, the likelihood is that more people will stay than will leave. And so you will continue to earn those residual incomes for one-time sales. So if you don't have one of those in your business, you're going to want to consider it. Now, not everybody enjoys recruiting, and network marketing requires a lot of recruiting. That's why with my business that I got involved in, I found one that had both a residual component and a way for my team members to earn money, even if they didn't recruit. And we'll talk about that one last. But you want to consider having this residual income because I love that each and every single month, I know that there's money coming into my business. So if you're looking for that type of opportunity, you can always reach out to me to see what I'm doing in my business. If you have one, focus a little bit in on how you can build up that customer base and build up that teammate base so that you will earn those residual incomes on the back end, because those can pay you in the long term, even if something happens and you're not actively able to promote and do retail sales. Now, the third one is affiliate marketing. And I touched on this a little bit. There are some affiliate marketing programs that you can also earn a residual income on. Those are my absolute favorites. But there's affiliate marketing for almost everything these days. If you're not familiar with this term, think about Amazon for a second. You can sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. Maybe you love the audio visual equipment. I've got a microphone right here. I've got a phone. I've got a pair of wireless earbuds right here. So I could sign up to become an affiliate on Amazon, and I could talk to my audience, talk to my list about why I love this microphone so much. I could share that link with my audience, and when they go and buy it from Amazon, I could earn a commission. Now, it's not just Amazon that you can earn these commissions from. There's Walmart, there's Target, there's basically every single retail out there these days will let you sign up for an affiliate program. I think you could even do it for your dog food. So there is literally no excuse to not have affiliate marketing as one of your income streams as an entrepreneur, because if you're buying tools and products for yourself, you could at the very least get your costs covered by sharing them with your audience. Now, The downside to Amazon and other retail businesses is the commissions are usually pretty small. So if you have a huge audience, if you have a 1 million viewer YouTube channel and you talk about your microphone and 100,000 people buy it, that's going to earn you a pretty good income. But if you're a smaller channel, then 10 people buying it isn't going to make you a lot of money. Here's the thing. Digital products are often a better option for most online marketers because a lot of them are already buying marketing tools, marketing training, and resources for themselves. And a lot of these digital products, because there's no manufacturing, because there's no shipping, because there's no warehousing and inventory, will pay you a much higher commission, like oftentimes between 25 and 50%. In fact, the marketing tools and training that I personally use and love pays you up to 67% commissions. So just for sharing the tools that I'm already using as an affiliate, I can earn a 67% commission. And with the program that I'm with, because people tend to stick around, it's a residual affiliate commission. So I'll go ahead and drop that link below. If you're in online marketing and you want to check that out, you can actually click the link I'm going to put down there. You can get a demo account of these marketing tools and training for $1 for 30 days. And even with your demo account, you can sign up to be an affiliate and start earning commissions immediately before your demo account even expires at the end of the 30 days. So I put that link below for you so you can check that out if that's something that you're into. Now, number 4 is going to be your consulting or coaching income. I talked earlier a little bit about, course creation. That would be on the retail side. You create a course once and then you can sell that product over and over and over again. Whereas this consultant and coaching income, you are trading your time for dollars because typically you're going to be working with the person one-on-one, for an hour at a time or a half day or a full day workshop, but they're going to get your personal time and attention. They're not simply going to be going through a course. However, because you're selling your personal time and attention, you are able to charge a much higher rate than what you could sell like a digital course for. So if you have a talent or a skill that other people would pay you for, and you're not currently putting that into your income streams, think about it for a minute. So if you are in online marketing, maybe you know how to build funnels. Maybe you know how to build capture pages. Maybe you're a great copywriter and you could teach others how to start doing effective email marketing or copywriting. Maybe you're a health coach or a yoga teacher and you could sell access to you via Zoom, where you could not only teach people the yoga poses, but you could see them on the other end of the screen and you could correct them virtually, right? Even if they're not in your location, you could physically sell these products via the internet and charge for your coaching or consulting. I had a client of mine who started doing mosaic dot painting. And she got so much interest just posting the mosaic artwork that she was doing just for herself because she loved it so much. She was so passionate about it. It was something that she did in her free time, started posting it online, and people were asking to buy it, which was a retail income, but also to learn the skill. Now she's hosting classes that she sells out week after week, and she's earning a very, very healthy income just by teaching something that she loves, that is a skill that someone else wants to learn. So it doesn't have to be something like online marketing. It doesn't have to be that you're a certified coach or you're a certified nutritionist. It could simply be a skill or a behavior that somebody wants to add into their life that you can help them with, and they will gladly exchange their money for your services. And the last one is one that I see so many people overlook. We're so interested in how can we figure out how to make money today? How do we make money that can pay the bills, that can cover our rent, that can buy us groceries, that we forget about this fifth income stream, and that is investment income. Now, I get it. You probably have a 401k. Maybe you're even fortunate enough to have a pension plan. But I'm talking about actively using your money to invest and compound on a daily, if not weekly basis. Now, I told you earlier on that my network marketing company has a very healthy residual income stream, but it also is focused on investing. And so for the people in my company that don't want to recruit, that don't ever want to talk to anybody ever again, because they're totally burnt out on network marketing, they are able to simply earn their income in this company through investing. So if you're able to take advantage of the power of compounding, if you're able to do investments and trading, maybe this is even buying some crypto assets, if that's your thing, this is a way to let your money work for you on a daily and weekly basis and not have to be worrying about it 40 years from now. I fully believe that you should be investing in your 401ks and your more conservative assets, but taking some of your current existing income and being able to invest it in a way that can compound day in and day out is truly the eighth wonder of the world. So not only are you earning on a regular basis from your other income streams, but you're able to take a portion of that money, invest it, and continue to grow it on the back end a little bit more passively, or at least in a way that is not trading so much of your time for income. So once again, we have a retail income, we have residual income, we have affiliate income, we have consulting or coaching, and we have investment. And if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the company that I'm partnered with, about how you can start investing some of your income and compounding it over time, I will go ahead and put a link below for you to sign up to have a little conversation with me, and we can see if it's a good fit for you. I hope that these 5 income streams was valuable to you today, that you'll consider adding some of them if they're not currently part of your business, and I will see you in the next video.